At InternGuru, we're dedicated to empowering developers with cutting-edge skills in React and Redux. Our mission is to provide a hands-on immersive learning experience that transforms learners into industry-ready professionals. Welcome to our comprehensive 8-week React and Redux training program. Let's explore what each week has in store for you as you embark on this exciting journey into the world of modern web development. Week 1. Introduction to React. In Week 1, we kick things off by introducing React. You'll discover why React is a game changer for building user interfaces, learn to set up your first React app, and start creating components using JSX. Week 2. React Core Concepts. Week 2 dives into React's core concepts. From managing state with useState and useEffect, to creating dynamic forms and lists, you'll build interactive features and enhance your understanding of React's fundamentals. Week 3. Advanced React. In Week 3, we explore advanced topics like routing with React Router DOM, Context API for state sharing, and higher-order components for enhanced component functionality. Week 4 introduces Redux, a powerful state management library. You'll learn about actions, reducers, and the Redux store, integrating them into your React projects to efficiently manage complex state. Week 5 takes Redux to the next level. We'll cover middleware like Redux Thunk for handling async actions, explore best practices, and use Redux dev tools to debug and optimize your applications. Week 6 focuses on real-world skills, optimizing app performance, writing unit tests with Jest, and deploying your React apps to platforms like Netlify or Vercel. In Week 7, you'll put everything together by building a fully functional admin dashboard. With features like authentication, CRUD operations, and role-based access control, you'll showcase your mastery of React and Redux. The final week is all about preparation. You'll tackle common interview questions, solve coding challenges, and participate in mock interviews, ensuring you're ready for real-world job opportunities. Join InternGuru today and become a React and Redux expert. Unlock the potential to build amazing web applications and take your development skills to the next level. Visit our website www.intern-guru.com to enroll now and start your journey into mastering React and Redux.